everyone, it's Kathy here from Grey Wonders, and today me and Hemptique are bringing you a flower-inspired macrame keychain. This keychain would make a very special handmade gift for Mother's Day or really for any occasion you choose. For this tutorial, you are going to need 2 different colors of hemp cord. I'm using 2mm in red and in a natural color. The 2 red cords I'm using are measured at 5 feet long, and that natural color cord is going to be measured at 3 feet long. Other than that, you're also going to need 3 beads to add into your keychain, and of course something to tie your knots to. So any kind of keychain will work for this tutorial. Now that you know what we're going to need for this project, let's get right into it and get started. Our first step is to take all 3 of our ropes and fold them evenly in half. Then we're going to attach them to our key ring using a lark's head knot. So you're going to take that folded half over the ring. It comes around from behind where you push the 2 remaining strings through the loop that's now in the back. Going to give that a gentle tug to tighten. Next, I'm going to attach my neutral color rope. Lastly, I'm going to attach my other red rope the same way on the other side of the neutral colored rope. Once you have all 3 of your ropes attached, we're going to create a square knot directly in the middle using the 4 middle ropes. So I'm just going to leave off the far left rope and the far right, and using these 4 ropes right in the middle, I make a square knot. So to make a square knot, I'm going to take the side on the far right to cross over the 2 in the middle to form a loop. The side on the left then goes over that right rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I pull it tight. I'm going to take the left side to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle to form the loop. The right side goes over that left rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I just pull it tight. And that is my first square knot. Now I'm going to work with the 2 ropes here on the left side. So I'm going to leave off all my other ropes and just focus on these 2 red ropes. I'm going to use these 2 ropes to start tying vertical lark's head knots. To do this, I'm going to take the side on the far left and just cross it right over that other rope. I'm going to twist it around the rope on the right to go through the little loop. And I give that a nice gentle tug to tighten. Then I'm going to take that same rope and go underneath the rope on the right. So we form another loop. The rope twists around the right rope to go through the loop, and I pull it tight. Then I'm going to repeat that another time. So that same rope's going to cross over. We're going to twist it around to go through the loop and pull it tight. We're going to take that same rope to cross underneath this time. It's going to twist around to go through the loop. And then I pull that tight. I'm going to repeat this one more time. So I take that same rope again right in front. We're forming the loop. It twists around to go through the loop where I pull it tight. Then I take that same rope to go underneath to form the loop. Then I twist it around to go through the loop and pull it tight. So you'll have 3 vertical lark's head knots on the side. Now I'm going to repeat with the 2 red ropes on the right side. So once again, the string on the far right is going to cross over the left rope. We're going to twist it around to go through the loop and then pull it tight. I'm going to take that same rope to go underneath to form the loop, twist it around to go through, and you just pull it tight. And I'm going to repeat that 2 more times. What it will look like so far. Now I'm going to take one of my beads and slide them onto the 2 strings in the middle. Once your bead is slid into place, you're going to want to determine if you need to make more vertical lark's head knots. So as you can see, my bead's a little big and there'll be a little gap here when I secure my bead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another vertical lark's head knot to each side of my keychain. Once it's a little more fitted, I'm going to secure the bead with another square knot. So again, I'm just going to take the 4 ropes right in the middle. And of those 4, I take the one on the far right to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then that left rope's going to go over the right, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I'm just going to pull that tight. Then I'm going to take that left rope to cross over the 2 in the middle to form the loop. The right rope goes over the left, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I pull it tight. Just like that. And now I'm going to repeat the same steps as before. So I'm going to push off the ropes on the right side and work with the 2 on the left. And using these 2 ropes, I'm going to form 4 vertical lark's head knots. Finished my 4, I'm going to move on to the 2 red ropes on the right side. And I'm just repeating the same steps once again. I'm going to take another bead and slide it onto the 2 ropes in the middle. Then I'm going to secure that bead with a square knot using the 4 ropes in the middle. Just like that. Now I'm going to repeat these steps one more time. Now what I'm going to do is tie another square knot. This time I'm going to use the 4 ropes in the middle to be all the middle ropes, and I'm going to tie the knot with the ropes on the far left and right. Going to finish off my keychain by making a simple overhand knot right at the bottom to gather all the ropes together. So all you do is take them up. I like to fold them over so that there's a loop. And then I just send all those cords back around to go through the loop. It's just a simple overhand knot. And then you're just going to pull it tight. Just like that. And the final step is to just take a pair of scissors and trim your remaining ends to the desired length. This is just going to be the little fringe that hangs down, so you can cut that as short or as long as you would like. This is what our final flower-inspired keychain will look like. You can have a lot of fun by changing up the color of the cord or the color of the beads to make pretty flower patterns. Perfect for any occasion, and especially perfect for Mother's Day. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.